The Ulefone Armor Pad 2 is one of the best feature-packed rugged tablets released in 2023, and currently this device is being sold for about $250. It's gonna be sold for this price from now till the 27th of October. So if you wish to get the Armor Pad 2 for this amazing price, then make sure to use the links in the video description. Anyway, these are the top features of the Armor Pad 2. So the device is a rugged tablet, which is why it is rated IP68 and IP69K, which means it is resistant to water, dust, and high pressure water jets. According to Ulefone, the device could survive being submerged in water with a depth of up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. It also has a drop to concrete resistance from up to 1.5 meters. The device is also military grade standard H10H compliant. This tablet is also the first and the only tablet currently with a really bright 750 lumens dedicated flood flashlight. The tablet has a 11-inch Full HD Plus display, and the display is protected by the Gorilla Glass 5. The phone ships with the latest Android 13 and is the stock version of Android. The device is powered by the Helio G99 paired with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. It has a single rear 48MP camera and a 16MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The rear camera is capable of recording up to 1440p videos at 30fps. The phone packs a really large 18,600 mAh battery, and it supports 33 watts fast charging as well as 5 watts reverse wire charging, which means you can use this phone as a power bank. You can use this tablet to charge other devices. One of the best things I love about this rugged tablet is the fact that it supports a 3.5mm headphone jack. That's right guys, it has a 3.5mm headphone jack. Lots of rugged phones, both tablets and normal smartphones, do not have a headphone jack, so this device has a headphone jack. It has stereo speakers, it supports Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, it supports wireless FM radio, and it's also one of the few tablets to support a fingerprint scanner. It also supports face unlock. So these are the top features of the Ulefone Armor Pad 2. As you can see, it's one of the best feature-packed rugged tablets of 2023. Like I mentioned earlier, you can be able to get the Armor Pad 2 for just $250 by using the links in the video description. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.